And then you can just relax, okay? Alright, I can bring it straight back for me. Not too hot, is it?
No.
The steam feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Does that feel okay still?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, it's not too hot.
I see the smoke on the camera.
Yeah, it's the steam.
From here, right?
Yeah, you gotta sit still though. It's a peaceful video. Just let me know if it gets too hot, the steam or the water, okay?
Mm-hmm. Alright, I'm about to rinse you out and then I'm gonna put a shower cap on, okay? Because now Mommy has to rinse her hair out. Okay.
Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, featuring her daughter Olivia Marie, and Ava is also with us sitting in the seat in my corner. So I decided to come in on an off day to use these new KeraCare products that were sent to me. So shout out to you, KeraCare, for reaching out to me for this amazing collab. And they sent me about $100 worth of products. They let me select what I wanted. So I opted to use like a moisturizing shampoo, a moisturizing conditioner, which is also good for all hair types and color treated hair. And then I also opted to use their pomade, their edge control, and I purchased, I forget, one other item that I selected. Let me not say purchased, that they sent to me. But in this video, my main focus is the shampoo conditioner. Now, you guys know KeraCare does have a professional line that I wasn't too sure about, only because I use the same products. You guys know I'm a creature of habit. So they sent me these products to try, and I was not disappointed. So you guys know whenever I get something or receive something that I'm not familiar with, I either use it on like a mannequin or myself or my daughter, because I don't like to try new products on clients when something isn't broke. I try not to fix it. And I also just want to make sure that before I try it on anybody else's hair, I test it on myself so I can be true when it comes to my reviews and what I think about the products. So I've already shampooed Olivia. You guys saw the little ASMR part in the beginning. I was feeling it, so I decided to leave that in there. So I do apologize for the late intro, but I'm just trying to play around with my content. So here I've already detangled Olivia. She did get 3 shampoos with the moisturizing shampoo. And then I also added the moisturizing conditioner with the steam. And I let her sit for about 10 minutes with a shower cap under the steamer. As you guys can see, my hair is not done. So she actually was helping me shampoo my hair, which you guys saw in the Nutri video. This is also an older video that I should have posted probably a month or 2 ago. But I do apologize for the delay. But I've literally been booked every day doing color clients. And I'm going to get that money first, period. So I've already put Olivia, I put a little bit of the Fanola serum. I did opt to use the KeraCare heat protectant, but unfortunately they were out of stock, so I had to use what I had on hand. But they also do have a heat protectant that you can use as well. And if you made it this far, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and you follow your girl on Instagram. I finally hit 65K on IG, which I was super hype about because literally like 2 weeks ago I was at 64K. So I literally gained 1,000 followers in 2 weeks, and your girl has been trying to push out content more on IG. So I'm just spraying her with a little bit of the serum that I used prior to doing any of my soap presses, which is the Influence S3 spray. You do have to be licensed to purchase this, but I will link down a few alternatives below and everything that I'm using as well. And you guys know I'm already going in with my custom Cassandra iron to press out Olivia's hair. So in this video, I just wanted to focus on pressing her hair out because we only press her hair maybe once or twice a year now that she's getting older. She is in the 4th grade. So I just wanted to press her out, try out these products, see how the shine is, how the integrity of her hair is. And then I'm also going to go in and give her a nice trim / haircut because it's been a while and she just had her hair braided. Because I know it is back to school time, I am going to be giving you guys more hair tutorials for both of my daughters. Ava's a little bit older now. You guys know how I am about having my kids on camera. I'm a little bit iffy about that just because people are weird on the internet. But now that they're older, and Ava actually cut one side of her hair shorter than the other. My daughter did a me and cut one of her ponytails. So I wanted to show you guys some videos of how I style her hair while it's trying to grow in, as well as showing how I style Olivia's hair. So definitely drop a comment down below if you want to see more kid-friendly hair tutorials, so that way if you guys are trying to get your kids together or you want some cute designs or something different, definitely going to be offering that. And shout out to my husband Mark for painting one of the walls in our house the same color as my suite, so that way I can create content at home without having to drive an hour to do so. So now I'm just going in, I'm following the natural shape of Olivia's hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pull her hair out at a 90-degree angle once I'm done creating my guideline. And this is pretty much it, what I do for her. So we took up quite a bit today just because she had a lot of split ends. And as you can see, her hair does get lighter towards the ends from being in the sun. And I think that's just her hair, how it is naturally. So I'm just going to go in and just give her a nice thorough trim, making sure that we're getting rid of the dead ends. So that way it can continue to grow nice and healthy and stay nice and full. If you see the moving in the corner, that is my baby Ava. She came this day. We were off. So I decided to just come in and slay both of my kids as well as my hair, which was in the Nutri video. So I'm pretty much out. It's Monday. The kids don't have school today. I think today's Columbus Day, I believe. So I'm going to hang out with them and just have a nice day and enjoy my weekend that's extended. I hope everybody has a wonderful and productive day. And please let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial and if you've tried KeraCare hair products. I'm very curious to know what products you guys use. If you are licensed or not licensed, just tell me your faves. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.